What's going on, everybody? We are back inside the house, finishing up a job that I started a long time ago, or a couple months ago, and it didn't go as planned. So today, what's going on, everybody? We are back inside the house to finish up a project. What's going on, everybody? We are back inside the house to finish up a project that I started, I hated, I wanted to get it done, but I messed up. And that is the stairing. As you can see, the stair nosing, which I started out the project, this was supposed to cover the entire face of the stair, the front face. And it would roll down, and you go on to the next one, and be done. Bing, 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 bam, boom, whatever. But I didn't read the instructions properly, and my stairs were higher than the nosing. So they were about half an inch, maybe about a quarter of over the stair nosing, because it's even in between there. So what I was deciding, or was faced with, either redoing the stairing or going with the nosing I had and the only one I could find and try to find a solution. And that's what I'm here today to fix out and finally get done. This was the project I was not happy with. So what I decided on was some trim. Usually these are the trims that go on the side right here to cover up the edges. But I came to the realization and the fact I need to cover it up. So I got these trims right here. So all I need to do to finish up the project is I measure it out. Go ahead and use my miter saw, cut it, and tack it in. And that's going to be how I decided to fix it. So let's go ahead, go out, cut that strip, and install it into this stair. And with the trim piece cut to size, all I need to do is use a couple finishing nails, come up at an angle, and there we go. Trim is in. All I have to do, probably about 20 more, and the job's complete. Is it perfect? No. It could be done a whole bunch better in different ways, but it is what it is. And the lesson here is if you fail, don't get discouraged. Try again. Fix your mistake and move forward. That is the best thing you can do, and it's all you can do. So thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate everything you guys do, and ride safe, everybody.